going to talk about this ocean of being today, and how can we remain as the ocean of being when we're experiencing other waves. You know, the ocean of being can shape and pattern and create waves of experience, these appearingly separate waves but never leaving the ocean. So that's a little bit like how life experiences itself, just using the ocean and wave as a pointer. So you know, when we meet somebody else, another wave, which in fact they are the same ocean that we are, so it's to see them as the ocean, the same ocean that you are. And how do we do that? Well, we can allow them to be a wave, allow them to express, but we remain as the ocean. So we're the space for them to dance. We're the open space of allowing that allows them to shape and pattern, have an experience. But we never join them. Sorry, it's a bit windy today. We never join them in the dance. We're just the space for them to dance.